Hi, my name is Don Schellenberg, and I'm very thrilled to bring you the Fibonacci and Elliott wave advantage. Every trader, every investor wants to have advantages in the markets. The markets can be tough, and without an advantage of some sort, traders and investors will win some, but they won't win enough, and many will actually exhaust their accounts. I've been waiting a long time to bring you this exciting package, the Fibonacci and Elliott Wave Advantage. And with it, I have an amazing new offer. I think you'll like it. But first of all, I want to give you a brief introduction to what's inside the DVD trading course, the Fibonacci and Elliott Wave Advantage. First of all, Mr. Elliott described his principle about 70 years ago or so, and talked about waves that occur in all markets. And these are waves of price action on a chart. And he described the fact that the market moves in waves of 5. 3 of them are with the trend. Here you've got wave 1 going up, wave 3 going up, and wave 5 going up. 2 of the waves are against the trend. That is wave 2 and wave 4. Now this is fractal. Fractal is not an everyday word, but what it really means in practical terms, that these waves of 1 through 5 will show up on every time frame. You may be looking at a daily chart. They'll be there. You can look at an hourly, down to 1 minute even, and you will see the 5 waves. So that's the basic idea, and it's really fantastic to know that. Otherwise, you're embarking on a journey and you don't know where you're going. But with this information, and we'll describe it in well enough detail, sufficient detail, lots of detail in the DVD course so that you'll understand it, how to use it. You'll even learn through the Fibonacci analysis that comes with the course. And Fibonacci is very important. And it's easy to demonstrate in a few moments how important it is, and I'll show you some of that in this brief video. And with the Fibonacci information, you're able to determine with quite a lot of preciseness, sometimes amazing preciseness, how long a wave is going to be, whether it's a wave with the trend or a wave against the trend. Imagine being able to know in advance when you get into a trade how far it might go. That is invaluable information. I'm just going to go a little bit further here and showing the trend as well as the corrections. These corrections here, they have different shapes, and we'll be going into that in the DVD. But what I want to really emphasize on this page is that after you have 5 waves, according to Mr. Elliott, you're going to have 3 waves down in correction. That is, if the market is still going to be in an uptrend. Sometimes the trend ends and it's a reversal. But very often, and you can plan this in advance, whether or not after the correction, whether it's likely to continue or not. If it is, you're going to have another 5 waves up. Invaluable information. Keeps you from guessing and keeps you from the stress. Let's take a look at, first of all, a Fibonacci analysis that happened on this particular chart. It's a daily chart, but it could have been any size of chart. And we use different Fibonacci ratios. These were discovered a long time ago, but Mr. Elliott introduced them, probably among the first whoever introduced them to using them on the financial charts, and how amazing they are. This particular move up, right from here, it's got 5 waves. Here's the first wave, second wave. This 4th wave is going sideways, so all of this is part of the 4th wave, and then the 5th wave, and after that you get this 3-wave correction. Now they don't always look like this. We'll get into that in the DVDs. What I'm showing you here is that based on this measure from here to there, we were able to bring 3 important Fibonacci waves, Fibonacci ratios together to show us where the bottom was likely going to be. How important is that? That you know this may be a real turnaround. And when this starts up, you can enter with confidence that there should be a full set of waves going up from here. That's invaluable. And I'm so delighted to be able to bring that to you in the DVDs. Well, here's just another example. And this is from the very popular S&P on a 1-hour chart. We started at 0 over here, and you can see the waves. 1, 2. Number 3 is really strong, and that's common, very common. The 4 ends, and the next wave up to 5 begins. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. After that, the ABCs. And there you go, as a continuation of the original trend. Amazing. But it happens all the time. But if you don't know it, you don't know it. And you can't take advantage of it. Well, here's another one, and this happens to be on a currency chart and 4-hour chart. And you can see again how this was moving in these waves. Wave 1, wave 2. Wave 2 often comes down near the beginning. Doesn't have to, but it's very common. Wave 3 is often the strongest one, greatest move. You want to be in that to get the profits. That is an important move. And you can see that here, and then the sideways correction, and then the final move up. And that's how it happens. Just happens over and over and over again. The Fibonacci and Elliott wave advantage. Check out the bonus trading course I've provided for you. It is now everyone can trade. Also take a look at the information I provided for you on apart from this short video, so you can see how we began the Everyone Can Trade course. It's yours free of charge with your purchase of my Fibonacci and Elliott Wave Advantage DVD course. Everyone can trade, and I mean everyone. You could be brand new, or you could be a grand expert of many years. This will help you. This will, in fact, if you know nothing, you can begin to trade. It's amazing. It's worth probably hundreds of dollars. I'm including it free of charge when you purchase my DVD course at only $50. Order it, and we'll talk to you on the other side.